One's walking around with it.
You guys, you're gonna miss out on all the fun. Here, get down here. Oh. Mm.
Look at Upchurch.
Where is he? That's him over there?
No, up top.
Oh, what you doing up there, big guy? Delicious, huh? Come here, Upchurch.
I put a piece up there.
Is he sulking?
Yeah, I think so.
What's the matter with him? Oh. That's not good.
Kind of a moody little emo.
He's a little... James says Upchurch is a little emo. Upchurch is the rooster that we have left. He was terribly beaten up by the other two young roosters. And so he's still recovering from his wounds, but now it's just him and the ladies. And he's a little moody, sulky. I don't think that the ladies are picking on him or nothing, but what's the matter, Upchurch? Are you okay? He doesn't have any more wounds, does he?
No.
What's the matter, buddy?
He's just being sulky.
What's the matter, buddy? Are the ladies being mean?
Hey.
Acting like he doesn't care about the apple.
Hey.
Oh, okay, big guy.
Well.
Gosh. Don't want that apple, I guess. The ladies will eat it. They like their apples. There's a piece down there. Oh, there's a piece.
There he goes.
Is he eating it now?
Yeah.
Oh, he just didn't want you forcing it on him. Oh, you guys be nice. Yeah, so there's Upchurch. Oh, I can see his wounds are kind of... Is that blue coat gone?
No, not completely.
I can't tell if his wounds are red or... Oh, get it. Oh, Upchurch, you're being a bully, huh, buddy? Hmm?
Showing off with the camera.
Is that what he's doing? I can't tell if he's... Poor guy really got some chunks taken out of his side. He's a little skittish, but he's been fighting back a bit with the females here, so hopefully they're okay. I don't know if he had a bad day today or what. Were the ladies being mean today, Upchurch? Huh? Was the ladies being mean today? You look a little scraggly still. I can't tell if you got more wounds or the blue coat is coming off. So anyway, we gave away the other two roosters that were picking on him. Now it's just Upchurch. And the ladies. So we have what we think are 11 hens and 1 rooster now. Yeah, right? Yeah. So 2 of our hens were older. We bought them when they were just about to start laying eggs, and so we get 2 eggs a day from them. And we figure we've got 2 more that are probably going to be laying pretty soon. At least we're hoping. There's one of our big ones. And there's our other big one. Hey, big one. We like to come out and give them treats once in a while. This one, we're kind of wondering what kind of a chicken that one is. We don't know. Why are you laughing, babe?
Well, it had that one, remember that one tail feather that just kind of stuck straight out its butt?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember.
It's gone now.
Somebody probably plucked it. Said you're not allowed to have such a fancy feather. Taking it away. Yeah, we don't know what kind that one is. But the others, we figure are barred rocks and what are the other ones called? Red, something red.
Yeah, something. Rhode Island Reds.
Rhode Island Reds, yeah. This one's interesting. So initially we got 6 chicks, and we figured out of those initial 6 chicks, 3 of those were roosters. And 3 were our hens. And then we got 6 more, which appear to be all female, all pullets. Oh, you guys are noisy. Hey, chickie chickies. Hey, chickie chickies. It's your moment to shine. What is that? What was that, babe? What happened? Oh.
Did you?
That's They keep pecking that paint off of that door. Pretty sure that's lead paint. It's not going to help their intelligence.
It's going to make big eggs.
It's not going to help the intelligence any, that's for sure. Alright, guys. I guess you really like that apple, huh? What? You just ran between my leg and the rooster. Upchurch, are you stalking one of the ladies? Must be a lot of dust floating in here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot in between my camera and the...
Oh, yeah, it's dusty.
Upchurch wants to get up high there. Get on up there, biggin. There you go, Bubba. One more. One more. James had a board on top of those nesting boxes to try to keep them off of it. But then they kept balancing up on the top of that board, and he didn't have the heart to watch, so he just took it off so they can get up there when they want. Guys are picking at my shoe. I don't have an apple on my shoe. No, I don't. Alright. Thanks for watching.